Today we have a Logitech M150, which is a corded laser mouse. And usually you can't find this designation, the M150, from the mouse itself. You can only find the product number, so check from the product number that you have the correct device. And as we can see, it's not exactly clean on the top side or the bottom side. So we are going to clean the skates first, and then we're going to take them off, and we'll take the screws out, and we'll be able to clean this thing. We'll have some isopropyl alcohol and a paper. There we go. Most of the crud is now gone, and we can then heat these up and take them off. Now, before you start taking these off, you should have ordered yourself replacement skates, because you don't know how well these can be removed. Sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't. So you want to have new skates ready before you remove these. And as we can see, some of the glue stuck to the mouse instead of the pad. We want to remove this weight because it's probably made of iron, and that's just going to rust if we wash it. Now, the reason why these are important to remove is because there's a lot of stuff between these two layers, so we want to wash them both. And it seems that the bottom part is just overmolded, so you have the original orange mold, and then they just use the second one to put the silicone grip on it. It seems that this is not easy to take apart, so we are going to wash it as is. Just make sure that you keep this screw in place, and you might want to add some lithium grease inside here once you're done washing. And this thing needs to be dried immediately because it has metallic parts. These are probably just some kind of spring steel, and they're more than likely not something that won't rust. That's all the parts washed. Now we just need to rinse them and we can get this thing back together. Now that everything's dry again, we can put it back together. Let's start with the top part. And we're done. It's now clean and it can be put back to use. However, these pads down here are not doing too well, even though they were heated up for the removal. So this is exactly the reason why you want to have new pads ready for the replacement. Because they will just snap in without any problem. These will probably come off at some point. But that's future's problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.